one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Your heart was not made to live in survival mode, and yet there are seasons where life has become heavy, where things have felt dry, and where you have needed refreshment again. And the Lord says, in the midst of this dry season, I'm bringing beauty. My beauty that will surprise you, my beauty that will heal you. For I am the Lord who created you, and I'm bringing you into a place of encounter. I'm bringing you into a place where your heart is being healed, where you're experiencing the beauty of my love, the beauty of my creative power. For I am the one who leads you forward by my hand and by my spirit. I am the one who is renewing you and refreshing you, bringing a fresh touch of my presence. I am with you in this time, bringing to you that which is needed, bringing to you life itself. For I am revealing my heart. I'm revealing the beauty of my love. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.